Ever wanted to make sure your visitors see those crucial announcements or special offers the moment they land on your site? In just a few minutes, you can add a professional, eye-catching ticker tape to your WordPress website. It's the perfect way to grab attention and boost engagement with dynamic announcements, news, or promotions. Let's dive in. First, we need to find the right tool. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu. Then click Add New in the search bar, type ticker tape, and hit Enter. You'll see a variety of options for this tutorial. We'll go with a popular and user-friendly choice. Look for a plugin with good ratings and recent updates. Click the Install Now button next to your chosen plugin. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your website. This makes the ticker tape functionality available. Now, you'll likely find a new menu item in your WordPress sidebar, usually labeled ticker tape, or something similar from the plugin you installed. Click on this to access the plugin settings. This is where you'll customize your ticker tape. You can enter the text you want to scroll. Think about your latest blog post, a limit time discount, or an important site update. Many plugins also offer options to change the speed, colors, and font size to match your website's design. Take a moment to explore these settings and make it your own. Most ticker tape plugins work by using a shortcode. The plugin settings page will usually provide you with the exact shortcode you need. Copy this shortcode and then go to the page or post where you want your ticker tape to appear. Edit the page or post and paste the shortcode into the content editor where you'd like the ticker to display. Save your changes or update your page now. When you visit your website, you'll see your scrolling ticker tape in action, delivering your important messages directly to your visitors. It's a simple addition that makes a big difference in keeping your audience informed and engaged.